Dike Ejejemba. Uvoye Anase Unabiala. I want to appreciate you, my father. I, HORGINS EZE, and my wife, Jen HORGINS, my family, and the entire members of Omega Fire Ministry, Imo State, and Eastern Region at large. We join the host of heaven and the entire world to celebrate you on this great occasion of yours. Happy birthday, my father. The Lord continue to protect you and preserve you. May his blessings keep showering over your life. May he continue to cause his face to shine upon you. Daddy, as the Lord add more years to you, may he add more life to you. Happy birthday, my father. God bless you indeed. Thank you for being a great father to us. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. Once again, happy birthday.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.